This is how you set up appointment reminders, birthday messages, and health goals. You want to set that clinic-wide to begin with, and so it'll be the default setting for every patient that you do those activities on, but then you can customize individually those patients. So in order to establish the default for all patients in the clinic, you can go to Clinic Settings and go to Workflow Rules. You click on the workflow rules and you'll see a screen that allows you to have appointment reminders status on or off. You can decide whether you want SMS or email reminders. Most people respond better to text messaging, so I'd select SMS most of the time. And then you can decide when you want that sent, whether it's in days, minutes, hours, or weeks. You can also make a setting if you have a patient that has multiple appointments on the same day with different providers or in different rooms. You want to have the multiple off, normally because it'll just provide one reminder to that patient for their first appointment and skip the rest of them. But if you want them to receive multiple reminders, you click that on. You can also add a reminder message here of basically how you want it laid out for the patients. You can edit that. You can preview with an example right here of how it would look based on what you've put into this box. You can also, put the patient name in, the provider name, and insert those into different locations here for this customized reminder. Also, you need to designate whether the phone number that you're going to be using for reminders is the main number for that patient or the cell number. And you can also include or exclude the website right here on the reminder as well. And there's a footer on this that's going to allow them to stop, type stop in order to stop receiving the reminders and other information on the bottom. Here you designate whether you want the primary address for your facility, or if you have other clinic, another clinic location, you can set alternative addresses there. So if you had, say, one clinic, with the one tax ID, but multiple locations, you would probably set this with your primary address, but then for those individual patients in those other clinics, you will go into their setting and make it for a different address. Also, you can have a canned birthday message that automatically goes out to the patient, and whether that's going to be SMS or email. And you can also track the daily health goals of the patient if they download the patient app, and you can set calories burned, exercise duration, and distance traveled. Now, it's good to have this set right in the beginning with your clinic, because if you later on you make some changes and you go back and you save this, then you've got this option of applying it to all or just save it for the moving forward. So that's a decision that you'll need to make. So after that's been set, let's say that you have a patient that says, wait a second, I need to receive this reminder at a different time. So what you would do is go to that patient and you'd go to their CRM dashboard and look for their workflow rules. And you can see that it's located right here. And you get a little bit of a synopsis of that when it's set and everything. And you can just open this up. And let's say that they wanted to receive it 1 hour before, not one day. You just click 1 hour and then you would hit save. And now they're going to receive this reminder 1 hour before their appointment.